Should you use your right to remain just silent? Imagine you are approached by law enforcement. Your heart races and questions swirl in your mind. Should you speak or stay silent? This is where your Fifth Amendment rights come into play. The Fifth Amendment is a part of the United States Constitution that protects you from self-incrimination. This means you have the right to refuse to answer questions that could potentially harm your case. When you choose to remain just silent, you are taking an important step to protect yourself. Anything you say can be used against you in court. This is especially true during custodial interrogations, where the pressure to talk can be overwhelming. By exercising your right to remain just silent, you avoid the risk of saying something that could be misinterpreted or used against you later. Another reason to consider remaining silent is the opportunity to consult with a criminal defense attorney. Speaking with a lawyer before making any statements can be beneficial. An attorney can provide guidance on how to respond and help you understand your rights. This is crucial because once you speak, you may unintentionally waive your rights under the Fifth Amendment and the Sixth Amendment, which guarantees your right to counsel. It is important to know that law enforcement must inform you of your right to remain just silent, known as the Miranda warning, only when you are in custody and being interrogated. If you are not in custody, you still have the right to remain just silent, but you may not receive that warning. If you decide to invoke your right to remain just silent, it is best to communicate clearly to law enforcement that you do not wish to answer questions without your attorney present. This approach can help prevent misunderstandings and protect your legal rights. Using your right to remain just silent is a fundamental protection in the criminal justice system. It allows you to avoid self-incrimination and ensures you have the chance to seek legal advice before speaking. In most situations, it is wise to exercise this right until you have consulted with an attorney. This simple choice can make a significant difference in your legal journey.